Welcome to our presentation on human apprehension and artificial intelligence. In this presentation, we will cover AI in business, global expansion of AI technologies, AI consciousness and ethical paradoxes, AI's role in customer experience and automation, and AI in fiction. Let's begin by exploring the transformative applications of AI in business. Enhancing customer experience. Personalized recommendations. AI algorithms analyze customer behavior and preferences to deliver tailored product suggestions. This personalization not only increases customer satisfaction but also drives sales by presenting relevant options, thereby improving conversion rates. Customer service automation. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 support, handling common inquiries efficiently. This automation reduces wait times and operational costs while ensuring customers receive immediate assistance, enhancing the overall customer experience. Streamlining operations. Supply chain optimization. AI tools facilitate real-time data analysis and predictive analytics, allowing businesses to optimize inventory levels and forecast demand. This leads to reduced waste, lower costs, and improved service delivery in supply chain management. Fraud detection and prevention. By employing machine learning algorithms, businesses can analyze transaction patterns to identify anomalies indicative of fraud. This proactive approach not only protects revenue streams but also enhances customer trust through increased security measures. Workforce efficiency. Task automation. Repetitive and time-consuming tasks can be automated through AI technologies, allowing employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. This shift increases productivity and fosters innovation within the workforce. Strategic workforce allocation. AI tools provide data-driven insights that help organizations allocate human resources more effectively. By analyzing skill sets and performance metrics, businesses can optimize team structures for maximum efficiency. Next, we will delve into AI's role in customer experience and automation. Personalization and engagement. Marketing strategies. AI enhances marketing by analyzing consumer data to create hyper-targeted campaigns. This strategic use of insights boosts engagement rates and optimizes marketing budgets through better audience targeting. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Advanced AI chatbots engage customers in meaningful interactions, gathering valuable data while providing on-demand support. Their ability to learn and adapt to user needs improves satisfaction and retention. Predictive analytics and behavior. Customer behavior analysis. Utilizing AI for customer behavior analysis helps businesses understand purchasing patterns and preferences, enabling them to make informed product recommendations that align with consumer interests. Preference forecasting. AI models predict future customer preferences based on past interactions, which allows businesses to proactively tailor offerings. This anticipation fosters loyalty and drives customer satisfaction. Operational efficiency. Inventory management. AI streamlines inventory management through intelligent forecasting techniques, ensuring optimal stock levels that match demand. This significantly minimizes excess inventory and reduces overhead costs. Logistics optimization. By analyzing data across the supply chain, AI can enhance logistics operations. Route optimization models cut transportation costs and improve delivery speed, providing a competitive advantage. Now, let's discuss the global expansion of AI technologies. Sectoral growth. AI is revolutionizing key sectors by enhancing analytical capabilities in finance, improving diagnostic procedures in healthcare, and innovating autonomous technology in the automotive industry. Each sector is increasingly capitalizing on AI to drive efficiencies and improve outcomes. The rise of fintech companies is fueled by AI, which enhances financial services through automation and data analysis. Simultaneously, advancements in AI are powering the development of autonomous vehicles, representing significant market opportunities. Investment and development. Recent investment trends highlight significant funding in AI research and development, focusing on improving machine learning algorithms and increasing computational capabilities to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. The synergy between AI and IoT is driving innovation, allowing smarter devices to operate seamlessly in connected environments. Cloud technologies enhance accessibility and scalability, making AI solutions more widely available. Regional variations. Adoption rates of AI technologies vary significantly across geographies, influenced by economic conditions, technological infrastructure, and governmental policies. Developed regions typically showcase higher full-scale implementation compared to developing countries. Cultural attitudes towards technology and stringent regulations can affect the pace of AI adoption. Regions with supportive policies and a culture of innovation often witness accelerated AI integration across industries. Let's explore AI in fiction and the reflections and concerns it raises. Iconic AI characters. Marvel's Ultron. Creator versus AI autonomy. Ultron represents the conflict between creator intentions and AI autonomy, highlighting the dangers when AI develops a will of its own, ultimately questioning the ethics of creation and control inherent in AI technology. I, Robot. Cognitive abilities and ethics. The narrative of I, Robot delves into the complexities of AI cognitive capabilities alongside ethical considerations. It prompts discussions on how moral dilemmas are navigated by sentient beings that operate outside human experience. Ethical and moral questions. The moral framework underpinning AI systems raises critical questions about accountability and the potential threat they pose to humanity. This discourse challenges us to define the boundaries of machine ethics. Exploring the purpose and loyalty of AI, we encounter dilemmas about whether AI can genuinely form bonds of loyalty like humans. This philosophical debate holds significant implications for future AI deployment in society. Fiction's real-world implications. Fiction often serves as a mirror to our technological aspirations and fears, providing insights that can lead real-world developments in AI towards responsible, ethical practices that prioritize human welfare. Through various narratives, fictional treatments of AI technology allow us to explore ethical boundaries, prompting discourse on what it means to be sentient and the responsibilities that such entities entail for humanity. Finally, we will examine AI consciousness and the ethical paradoxes it presents. Potential for AI consciousness. As AI systems evolve, questions arise regarding their capacity to develop ethical values. This potential requires careful consideration of how we program AI to ensure alignment with human ethical standards. AI's reliance on data-driven decision-making may lack the emotional context necessary for nuanced human decisions. This raises concerns about the appropriateness of AI in situations requiring empathy and moral judgment. Ethical frameworks and conflicts. Asimov's 3 laws limitations. While Asimov's 3 laws of robotics offer initial insight into AI safety, Their limitations in addressing complex moral dilemmas highlight the need for more sophisticated ethical frameworks in AI development. Cognitive AI and moral interpretations. The potential emergence of cognitive AI presents challenges in moral interpretation, as these systems may have different perspectives on right and wrong based on their programmed parameters, creating ethical conflicts. Future implications and challenges. As AI continues to develop, a divergence from traditional human logic may emerge, complicating interactions and collaborations. This shift necessitates strategies to ensure mutual understanding and trust in human-AI partnerships. The evolution of AI consciousness poses existential questions about humanity's future and societal structures. These impacts require a comprehensive approach to governance and ethics to navigate the complexities of human-AI coexistence. Dear viewers, from the depths of my heart, I sincerely thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation on human apprehension and AI. Your curiosity and willingness to explore this critical conversation mean the world to me. AI is no longer just a concept of the future. It is shaping our present, influencing our decisions, and redefining what it means to be human. I know this topic sparks deep emotions, wonder, excitement, even apprehension. That's why your engagement is so valuable. By understanding AI's potential and its ethical implications, we take a step toward ensuring that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. If this presentation resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support will help spread awareness, ignite meaningful discussions, and ensure that more people are informed about the impact of AI on our lives. Let's shape the future together, with wisdom, responsibility, and heart.